बट समटाइम्स द अंदर जो पड़ा हुआ होता है ना वो बाहर निकल आता है. तो द एंगर केम टू हिम एंड ही वांटेड टू चेक वेदर दिस साधु इज रियली इन मेडिटेशन और इज ही प्रिटेंडिंग. सो ही टुक हिज तलवार एंड his तीर and he picked up a मरा हुआ सर्प, a dead snake, and he put it around the rishi's neck. He wanted to check if he is actually in meditation or is he pretending. So he remained in meditation. Raja Parikshit went home and the rishi's son was playing pass me. So he saw this whole thing and he got upset. So he took his Achman ka jal and he cursed Raja Parikshit. And he said that this king dare behave like this with my father. Now in 7 days, the greatest Takshak Sarp, the most poisonous snake in the world is called Takshak. He will come and bite the king and the king will die. I give this shrap. Now when the rishi got up from meditation and he came to know all this, he was very upset with his son. He said, तुम्हारी साधना इतनी कच्ची है, तुमने इतने अच्छे राजा को इतना बड़ा श्राप दे दिया. So son said, now it can't be reversed. So the Raja goes home and sits in his room and he's thinking, मैंने ऋषि का अपमान किया, बहुत गलत किया. वास्तव में ऋषि के रूप में मैंने भगवान का ही अपमान किया है. Now I should be punished for this. I will welcome the punishment. I will welcome whatever comes from my karma ka phal. See, such an important lesson that whatever comes to you is your karma ka phal. Welcome it. He says, I will welcome. He gets news that 7 दिन में तक्षक आपको भस्म करने वाला है. He says, I welcome this. This is not a curse. This is an आशीर्वाद for me. Because whatever I have done, उसका कर्म कैंसिल हो जाएगा और 7 दिन में मैं अपने आप को इतना ऊंचा उठा लूंगा कि तक्षक मुझे काटे या नहीं काटे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. सो राजा परीक्षित वेलकम्स द कर्स एंड सेज ये तो आशीर्वाद है. ही गोज इन सर्च ऑफ अ गुरु.